Now I'm going to show you how to attach the fabric label. So it comes in both vertical and horizontal, but I'm going to show you how to attach the horizontal one first. Let's start off by threading your needle. So insert the needle threader into the eye of the needle and then insert one end of the thread through. Now pull and remove the needle threader. Next, tie a knot at one end of the thread. Place the needle close to the end of the thread and wrap around it for 2 to 3 times. Hold the loops in place with your non-needle hand and pull the needle upwards to secure the knot. And then cut off the excess. Now fold the edges of the fabric label 7 mm inwards. Insert the needle about 3 mm in on the upper part of the label and stitch it on the 14th round. Repeat it once more, but this time push the needle underneath the fabric label like so. Now proceed stitching the bottom half of the label. To end your stitching, insert the needle through the back of the basket. Create an end knot to secure the stitch. Bury the knot by inserting the needle into the same point and then draw the needle out about 1 cm away. Gently tug so that the knot will be buried underneath. Trim off the excess yarn and let's proceed to the other side. So start by tying a knot at the end of the thread and stitch the same way as we previously did. Now we are done with the horizontal one. Now let's proceed with the vertical one. Same method, fold the edges 7 mm inwards. You can either stitch it on the right side or the left side. Place it a stitch away from the handle and start stitching each sides individually. Same method, push the needle underneath the fabric label to stitch the other side. To continue stitching on the inner part of the label, flip your work to the wrong side and continue stitching with the same method. Your stitching, push the needle underneath the fabric label. Now tie a knot at the end and bury it the same way as we previously did. finished with the basket, and this is how the final product looks like. Thank you so much for watching our video. Bye!